So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a time clock. But before you do that, you should have to add a time clock icon on the register section. To do that, go ahead and press edit on the top, and the icons will start shaking. And when it shakes, go ahead and just select any of the empty slot. If you choose it, this will pop up. Go to the function, time clock. There we are. Go ahead and press time clock, and there will be IDs. And to add ID, you actually have to add it through the back office from your computer, and it's really easy. So once one of your workers are registered in your store, they will have ID and the password. Go ahead and sign in, hit OK, and this will pop out. And to punch in, you just have to put punch in and you're timed in. And to clock out is the exact same thing. Go ahead and press time clock, put your ID and password, hit OK, and punch out. And that's it.